Okay, you cut a watermelon in half. You do some scooping, okay? Then you put some plumbing in, little balls, okay, little fruits. Come over the top of that with some drink, and then soju. Homeboy, watch this. Okay, guys, I need this to stand up first. So I need to shave this off to get this kind of flat. Just give me it. Now your boy come over to do some carving. Okay, but guess what? I want to come over the top, okay? Because I want to do mine differently. I want to do like a condominium type thing. Woo, look at that. Look like a little cradle, right? Now I coming over the top here, like so. Oh Lord, my boat off. This boat rickety as hell. Ah ha ha ha! Blackbeard's Tavern. Nah, that's what I'm talking about. Now I need some balls, right? Now this is a cookie dough thingy. I never tried to scoop with this, but this is gonna be interesting. Yes, sir. With the sound freaks you all out? Hey, stop laughing, okay? Grow up, grow up. Yes, it does sound like you ate the wrong thing and it's a little wet, but grow up. Don't act like you all ain't never been in this situation. Heavy night of drinking, it's the next morning. Ain't a perfect glass for this, but it works. So now, we get some of this watermelon back in there. Now I coming over with my blueberries. Let's get some mango in there. Now I got some kiwi. Okay, this is a pineapple coral, right? Check what I can do though. And get a little coring going on here. Okay, now I coming in here. Oh, look at that little hole. We got blueberry, right? Match the blueberries. We got mango rum. Okay, this from the Bahamas, homeboy. To match the mango. Oh, Lord have mercy, this looks delicious. We got some peach snaps, because why not? Okay, no good reason to have this, but let's do it anyway. Now we coming over the top of that with some lemon lime soda, you know, a little bit of Sprite. Oh, yes, Lord, amen. Now, homeboy, you're going with Sky, that's cool, but what about this hole here? Now we got our watermelon vodka. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that! Look at that! And that vodka can just seep in there. Ooh, amen. And there you have it. The summer watermelon bowl, delicioso. Look at a little vodka, and it's seeping in. You all see that, right? That's seeping in, homeboy, because that's what vodka does. It seeps, okay? As always, drink responsibly. As always, don't drink and drive. Send me your delicious recipes. Stay tipsy, brothers and sisters. Get some fruits up in you. Later.